To view your deposit history in Webull, start by launching the Webull app on your mobile device or by accessing the Webull website on your computer. Log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you are fully signed in before proceeding to the next steps. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account section. On the mobile app, this can typically be found by tapping on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you are using the website, look for the account icon usually located in the top right corner. In this section, look for an option labeled Transfers or Account History. Select the Transfers option, and you should see different categories related to your account transactions. Should look for a section titled Deposit History. This will give you a detailed view of all deposits made into your account over a specific period. You may also have options to filter or search through your deposit records for easier navigation. If you want more details about a specific transaction, simply tap or click on that entry to see additional information such as the date, amount, and any notes associated with the deposit. Familiarizing yourself with this feature will help you keep track of your funding activities and manage your investments more effectively.